So today we're going to be talking about PEMDAS. Now you may have seen it written across horizontally like this or even vertically like this, and I want to tell you that that's not the best way to explain it. See, PEMDAS is better written as this, PEMDAS, because, well, as we all know, it goes parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction, but multiplication and division are on the same level, and so are addition and subtraction. And what do I mean by that, as on the same level? Well, look at this problem we have written out here. 24 divided by 4 times 6. Well, if we just do PEMDAS as written in a solid line, like here, it'd be multiplication before division. So let's go 4 times 6 would be 24. 24 divided by 24 is 1. Well, that's not how we do things, actually. Because multiplication and division are on the same level. That means that division can come first because, like in reading, we'll read left to right. And since these are on the same level, this can come first. So it would be 24 divided by 4, which equals 6, times 6, which we know to equal 36. So I have a problem here. 4 times 1 plus 9. Well, we always know the rule of PEMDAS is parentheses first, even before exponents or anything else. So 4 times 1, we know to be 4. Plus 9. Well, what's 4 plus 9? We'll come down here. Well, what makes 9 into 10? Well, that's 1. So we'll take away 1 from 4. That's 3. So 3 plus 10, 13. So 4 plus 9, 13. Another problem we have here. 15 minus 2 times 5, and the 2 times 5 is in parentheses. Well, we know parentheses comes first, so 2 times 5 is 10. Well, 15 minus 10 is just a simple 5. We'll have another one similar to that. What's 2 times 9? That's 18. Well, 1 plus 18 equals 19. These are pretty simple so far, I think. 2 times 9, like we just answered in the last one, 18. What's 12 minus 18? Well, 12 really doesn't go into 18, does it? So, we'll minus both sides by 12. This side will get 0. This side becomes a 6. But it's still minus that 6, so we bring the negative down, and it becomes negative 6. And that is our answer that we can be confident in. Now, 8 times 8, because it's in parentheses, comes before 6 plus 8 times 8 in parentheses. So, since this comes first, what is 8 times 8? It looks like a scary number, but we know from our times tables that 8 times 8 is 64. So we bring 64 down here. 6 plus 64. Now, you're 6th graders, so I think you know that it equals 70, but for the sake of it, let's just pretend that we didn't know that. Well, what's 6 plus 4? Well, that's 10. So we could subtract that 4, then it'd be 60 plus 10, which we know would be 70. Now, we're going to try one of our own that we'll make. So, let's take a negative number, say 36, and let's divide it. Well, what do we want to divide it by? Well, 6 can go into it pretty easily, so let's divide it by 6. But we have to have something else to make it a problem that requires PEMDAS to solve. So, we'll multiply that 6 by 3. Now, according to PEMDAS, in a straight line, multiplication comes first, so it'd be 18 into 36. Oh, wait. That's not how we learned it, is it, boys and girls? We know that PEMDAS means parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division on the same level, and then addition and subtraction on the same level. So, multiplication does not come first. It is on the same level, which means this division comes first. So 36 divided by 6, what's that? Well, it's another 6. So we can write that down here. And 6 times 3, well, that is an 18. Good, buddy. Let's try a different one. How about 42? And let's go minus 12, because that's pretty easy to go into it, plus 6. So, PEMDAS, well, A comes before S, so do we add first? No, like we've discussed, A and S and M and D are on the same level, which is why writing it like this is way more effective. So, we read left to right. 42 minus 12. 2's cancel, it'd be a 0. 40 minus 10 is 30. Plus 6 is 36. So we can confidently say 36 is the answer to this problem. I hope this video helped you to understand PEMDAS a little more, or maybe even teach it to you in the first place.